Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay with gift card on Airbnb mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on account settings. After that, tap on payments and tap on credits and coupon. Tap on add gift card. Now tap the redeem a gift card. Enter the 16-digit code from the back of your physical card or from your email if it's digital. Then tap redeem. The amount will be added to your Airbnb balance. Now go back to the home screen and search for a place to stay. Enter your destination, dates and number of guests. Choose a listing, review the details and tap reserve or continue to payment. On the payment screen, you will see your Airbnb gift card balance listed at the top. It will be automatically applied to your total if the gift card covers the full payment. If not, you can pay the rest with a credit card or another payment method. Double check your info, then tap confirm and pay. And that's it. That's how to pay with an Airbnb gift card on the mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.